When we do the bow hold on the cello, there's a slight difference because we're going to be bowing in a different direction to the violins and the violas. So my bow hold tattoo will be a little bit different. I find the first crease from the tip of my finger and I put a line across, and then I go and do 3 more lines, but then I actually do a 4th line. Now this 4th line is where the crease is again. Okay, can you see that? Good. So I've put those 4 markers, and the top of the stick is going to be covering those 4 markers. And then, just like the violins, I've got a mark, a dot actually. It's a dot on the tip of my thumb. All right, so when I make the bow hold for the cello, I will again find the silver square on my bow. Now that's where my thumb is going to go. So we've done this bunny shape. We've done it on the pencil, and then we're going to take our thumb. First of all, we're going to cover the stick. So we've got these 4 markers. We're going to try and cover the stick down near the bottom of the bow, near the frog. And then we're just going to put our thumb on the silver square. Good. So when I am holding my bow, that's what it will look like. Okay. I've got a beautiful round shape. It's not collapsed. All right. I don't want to collapse. It will really make it awkward to bow in a straight line. If I have a nice round shape, my muscles will help me control the bow a lot easier. Okay, so our bow will be going down and in, up, down and up. Good. All right, we're going to do some bowing on the D string and on the A string next.